Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to write essay on Christmas in English. Let's start. Christmas is a joyful festival celebrated every year on 25th December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, people decorate their homes with lights, stars, and a beautiful Christmas tree. Many people go to church to offer prayers and sing Christmas carols. Christmas wait for Santa Claus, who brings gifts, chocolates, and toys for them. Schools also celebrate Christmas with great fun. Students wear red and white clothes and enjoy singing and dancing. Teachers tell us the story of Jesus and teach us to love and help others. Delicious cakes, cookies, and sweets are made at home for everyone to enjoy. Christmas is a festival of love, joy, and togetherness. Families come together to share happiness and exchange gifts. This festival teaches us to be kind, caring, and thankful. I love celebrating Christmas with my friends and family. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.